What's up, everybody? So in this week's video, I'm going to be sharing a repair that I'm doing on a F350. This particular repair is lower damage on a right-hand front door. The color is, the paint code's actually UG, which is a platinum white. So this is a 3-stage pearl white. So what that means is sometimes 3 stages can be a little more difficult to blend, and I'm just going to include you a little bit on that process. I am doing a spray out panel, actually letdown panel is the proper term, but we are going to be basically covering this whole door and then blending into the rear door back there, and also the bottom of the fender had a little bit of damage as well. So as you see, I got the door in primer, and it all looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and block this and wet sand it, get it ready for color. And same with this fender.